Just realized I was muted, sorry. So I factory reset my computer yesterday because I was experiencing some issues and it was not a super pleasant experience, but yeah, I think it's gonna be better. Things are starting to look up. Mostly it was Chrome was acting up on me, and it still is actually even after the factory reset. So I'm not super happy about that. Hopefully though it like starts getting better. I'm using the Chrome beta version, right, or the dev version. Beta version I also had trouble with. So my hope is that whatever bug is causing my issues will be resolved as soon as version 70 is released in the next couple weeks. So yeah, but I thought I'd show you how I did a little static in the audio. Dang it, sorry. So yeah, I had to reset up all of my stuff because I'm now like because I factory reset everything. So sorry if the audio is kind of scratchy and stuff. I'll have to look at it another time. It's really bad. Oh, rats. Maybe I'll just have to do this later then. Yeah, I'm gonna stop it now, and I will do it later, probably this afternoon. But we'll look at the dot files and how I set this up. Okay, people are saying it's fine, and I don't want to do this again, so we'll do it now, and hopefully tomorrow my dev tip will be a lot better. So I've got this dot files repo. I've been using it for a long time. Here, if I pull over this thing, and I look at lsal, which I have aliased to ll, then you'll see I've got my bash profile pointing to that dot files, my git ignore global, I have this mybin, my vimrc, and vimrc parts thing, all pointing to the dots file. So that's how I kind of manage these things that go across multiple files. Or my computer, multiple computers and things. It's a really nice way to manage things. And I, when I was gonna reset all of this stuff, I decided I didn't want to have to like go and install everything and reconfigure it all. And so I looked around, and Matthias, shoot, what's his last name? This nice person, Matthias something. Starts with a B. Anyway, he has this repo. His dot files has this Mac OS thing that will set up your system, and most of his stuff is here down toward the end. So I went through his stuff and I like edited or commented out things, and this does a lot to configure your system for your preferences, and so I made changes to some of those preferences and stuff. I commented out things I didn't know what they were. Or whatever. And then I added some stuff here at the top, Kent's customization. So here's what's going on. So first I install Homebrew, and then I brew install a few things that I know I'm going to need, and I use a lot for certain things. Yeah, and then I clone my dot files thing. So to run this, I just use curl and pipe it to bash. To run this file, so I don't have to actually have it installed when I start. But then after I've installed Git and everything, oh rats! Did I remove Git? Yeah, whoops. Let me fix that really quick. I was like editing things and I removed Git and Hub. Hub is this thing from GitHub that makes your Git a little bit more GitHub friendly. So it has like commands like create to create a new GitHub repo, and browse to go to the GitHub repo, and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So anyway, I install a couple of those things, and then I clone the dot files. And then for Vim, I don't use Vim a ton, but when I do, I like it to be configured nicely. So I have this Vim plugin to install, or that's like a Vim plugin manager. And so I install that, and then I run the plugin install to install the plugins I have configured. And then I install Node using ninstall. So if you've not heard of N, It's kind of like NVM, if you've heard of that, except it is installed via npm, and I think it has a nicer UI. Uh-oh. See, this is what's happening to my Chrome. This is why I factory reset my computers, because stuff like this happens. See, if I go com, yeah, and I'm not logged in. Well, I guess sort of logged in, but I don't have my any extensions installed or anything. This is just like, this is madness. Yeah, and an incognito as well. It'll spin forever and then just nothing. It's really annoying. Anyway, we'll just wrap this up. So I have some global dependencies or global npm packages I like. Diff so fancy for my Git stuff. And then serve, because every now and then you need an HTTP server. fkill is really nice to kill tasks from the command line. npm quick run, if you're tired of running npm run, you just nr. And then semantic release to set up my packages and stuff. And then install yarn without node, because I have node installed already. And then I install a whole bunch of apps with brew cask, and it's great. You should give that a look. Then I generate my RSA token, and then I can use that to paste into GitHub. And then from here on out, it's just stuff that came from Matthias's thing. So yeah, you should check this out. It's kind of cool. Sorry about the problems with my computer. Before I did my factory reset, I didn't have these mic issues, so I'm pretty sure that's unrelated. I just need to tweak some things probably. Yeah, the Chrome thing, like maybe this is a hardware issue, and it makes me really sad because I don't want to use or get an upgrade. I want to get a 2015 Mac again, but what do you do? So anyway, I hope this was helpful to you. A lot of people, when I tweeted about this, suggested, hey, like, why don't you just set it up from scratch and stuff? It's nice to get rid of the cruft. But I kind of see like setting up this file as setting it up from scratch. Like, I know I'm gonna need to install all these things. Like, before I go and set it up, I look at the script and change things that I don't need anymore or whatever. So that's the process of getting rid of the cruft. And then I can run the script, and so I get it all set up a lot faster. So, can you turn DVR back on for YouTube? I don't know what that is. I'm confused. Anyway, another thing, I guess, on this stream, I'm also using the Stream Now feature from YouTube, whereas before I set up an event and stuff. I don't know, maybe that is causing some of the problems too. Sorry. I'll go back and listen to this, and I'll fix it up so it's nice tomorrow, hopefully. So yeah. Oh, you can't scroll back on this video stream? Okay, I won't do this again. I'll do this differently next time. Cool. All right, I'll see you all later. I hope you're all doing awesome, and yeah, peace out.